Hey guys, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on a Dodge 15, a Dodge Ram 1500 or Ram 1500 2017. You know, the Dodge and the Ram company, they come apart. Not really come apart, but just the name. So we're gonna change our center glass right here. And this is kind of hard to get in. So it was giving me a warm time, so I decided to make a video about it based on what I figure out. And by the way, this is the same from 2010 and up. So up in the truck where the windows go, this is a truck right here that you gotta take out. And when you take it out, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. Link will be in the description for the flathead screwdriver, as well as any other tool I use, as well as for the glass if I can find it. So you need to get the glass, you need to get this truck down like that. So once you get it down, you want to get it out. So what you can do is down and pull it out just like this. So this is what you want to get out. Just try to remember the way you have it, that it was this way and not this way. Alright, so this way, the way we have it. So it's time to get the glass, which gonna go sit right here, because that's like a window regulator, because that's what slide the glass from left to right. Let me try to operate it. So that whole tray, that's what moved the glass left to right. So on the glass, it would normally glued in at the end, one right here and one right here. So you want to get it and put the top in first. So once you put the top in, just like that, you see I got it, got the top in, push the top all the way up, and then you want to line it up in here so it drop down in the grooves, and that way once it's in the groove it can slide. So that part is good. We need to put this back right here. So you need to line up everything and slide it over. To make your job more easier, you want to get some soapy water, something that's gonna make it slippery to go in. So we're gonna get some lube. Let's do that. So guys, we got our soapy water. Just spray it right there. It's just soapy water, so it's not gonna stain anything. And you want to spray it on this as well. So once that's done, you can just line it up and slide it in just like that. So guys, I end up put grease up there too. As you can see, I have grease right here, but that's not a big deal. Just go ahead and squeeze it up. And even over here, you gotta bring these up in here, just like that. So you just want to get this to slide up. Okay, So that's how you gotta go. I'm gonna slide the window to the right so I can push the other one up. So the window won't move because this is still pressed down on it, so just gotta push this up. So you can use your flathead screwdriver or anything you have in hand. I have this right here, so I'm gonna use this and push this up. Just like that. Alright guys, so now it's just for me to just clean up back my mess. I don't need to put that on the camera. We all know the clean. Let's try it again. Alright guys, that's it. Peace out. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and that's it. Peace out.